Just get into Quartzsite. I get this mic somewhere where I can work with it. The wind is strong. I just got into Quartzsite about 15-20 minutes ago, and on my way down from Parker, my window stopped working, this driver's side window. So I have to get this up at least for the night. And if I remember correctly, I got to pop this off. So I can find the right screwdriver for that. Oh, here's a slot type right there. And like I said, if I remember correctly, this pops off like so, like that. Yeah, perfect. This is an 06 TN1 Sprinter van. So then I have that off, and now it takes a Torx in there. I don't think there's anything behind that. And I don't think there's, I'm not sure. Let me just have a look. It's been a while since I had one of these apart. And then there's the bottom. These are like map pockets. They just come out and they can sit like that. And those are just press fit all the way around. Oh, and this has to come off, I'm pretty sure. The trim back here. Yeah, it just pushes forward. Behind it with something. My all of my tools, my other tools are at home. Just remember to push that upward. So that's good there. So I've got a Torx right in there to get. Hopefully I have one that size. Aha, I got a 30 right there. So a 30, if I didn't bring it up to a head now. There it goes, I think. So there's the 30. Take that out. All right, it's kind of an emergency job here. I want the window up for the night. Now, I don't really know what holds that all on. Let me try the window one more time before I take the electrical off of it. The window motor works. Something's let go in there. All right. Up and off, but there's something holding it here. I don't know what it is. Aha, there's another screw in there. That'll do it. I'm not going to go up very high like that. Where's my T30? So the two screws. There we are. We're just finding this out ourselves. I took the one off the other side, but I forget how I did it. So that'll make more sense. So now the whole thing will lift up. If I get this screw all the way out. T30. Now it should just lift up. Yes. Off. All right, first of all, I'm going to do the electricals here. There's one. There's a little retainer on there that retains these. I need a smaller. There it goes. So there's a little clip on there. It holds it in place. It should wiggle these right off now. There it goes. So on these plugs, there's a little door you kind of flip open. You'll see it if you're doing this. There. Same with this side. I'm going to use a smaller screwdriver for that. Here we are. There it goes. Just got to flick this little thing open, this little door like that. And then you can pry up on those. Oh, don't close it with your thumb while you're doing it, like I just did. There it goes. I worry a lot of times this stuff breaks easy. But it seems to be okay for a 20-year-old van. This won't be a fix tonight. It'll just be find out what I need for parts. So that's off. Now we can get this up like so. These plugs out of here. One, to wow, they really, all right. They jammed that in there pretty close. There we go. Now I think I can just leave it down like that. And the backside with the Torax, I could take this handle off, but I'm not going to right now. So what's going on in here? Maybe I'll put it down a little further so you guys can see it. Set it on that for now. So what let go in here? Why is this not going up and staying up? But all I need tonight is the window up. I think I see what's going on too. There's a little track bushing, and it looks like it is broke off right in here. So I'm going to have to put the switches back in and bring the window regulator down. Let's do that. Don't need the lock switch. I just need the driver's side. That's this one here, I'm pretty sure. Nope, that's the passenger side. The white one, I think, is the driver's side. All right, let's try that. Let's see what we can do here. That's up. Oh, down. All right, don't break it. Don't break the glass. All right. There, yeah, that's what happened. There's a roller that goes on here. Right on here on this end. I'll shut that fan off. And that roller, if I can get this back up again. The window has fallen down. It's still on the track for the most part. I can get it up out of there again. I had it up. I'm going to put this up a little bit higher again. Give myself a little bit of room. Now, I can't really pry in everything. She's a bugger. If I had something just to underneath and hook up on it. All right, where are we? What do I have that would hook up on that? Nothing. Let's see if I can. There it comes. There she comes. She fell way down. All right. So what's broken is a little plastic slide. This little piece right here, that's broke off. So I need a new one of those. But for now, if I can get it up and keep it up there, I will be satisfied with that. All right. And that'll do me for now until I get a new part. That piece slid all the way forward, doesn't matter. Just hold it in, don't get my fingers jammed. There, you can see it. I'll show you guys. So that's what broke, this little plastic piece. That's all it is. And then it allowed the regulator arm to pop out. So anyway, I'll get a new piece. We'll get it back in place, but while I'm here in Quartzsite or until I get the piece, I'll leave it up. Anyway, everyone, that's my first repair here in Quartzsite. Been here an hour. Got to work on the van already. All right, well, get back to you if I have anything new develops.